Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove TikTok account from another devices. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it. And here you can just simply tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can just simply tap on settings and privacy at very last, and in the account section you can just simply tap on security and permissions, and here you can see the second option, that is manage devices. Tap on it, and now you can just simply remove the other devices that you do not trust, and this is the way you can remove account from other devices on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.